Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Can't Turn On Real-Time Protection Windows Defender on Windows 10 to 11. Okay, first things first, search for regedit on your PC's search bar. Here, in the registry editor, you will be inserting a code. Just copy the registry path that is splashed on your video screen and paste it, then click OK. After that, in SFC and DISM, make sure to perform the following steps. Type sfc/scan now and press OK. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore help and press OK. Type then exit and press OK. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Can't Turn On Real-Time Protection Windows Defender on Windows 10 to 11. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.